So I was working on this, and I discovered why it only winds when it's crown up. Watch. Watch those two wheels that are right there. Let me not point my finger. That wheel and that gear, that gear and that gear. Ready? See it fall? And now it's not catching. And yeah, and then watch. If it fall back into place, the shadow of my finger is kind of blocking it, so hold on. Ready? See it fall back into place? So there you go. Boy, and that's on all these little Chinese movements that I have on my bench right now. I have 3 of them, 3 total. So yeah, how about that? Interesting. Yeah.